how to check your scheduled articles in Magic Submitter. First, in the main menu, you have to click this open scheduler. Look like 8, looks like a clock, something like that. Then here are all the articles submitted. For this article titled the white golden retriever, then as you can see, this I created it in 4 profiles: the C2 Set Auto Golden Retrievers 3, 1 and 4. Some of these these are the task type: the start time, running time, last run, and the status of this. This will run this task will run after after WordPress blog task completed for a day. So after this one, it has 249, and it's not completed yet. There are others that are completed here. See, for golden retrievers, the first article, the golden retriever adoption. Here it's still on the run. To see all of this campaign, you have to click all, and here you can see it has a lot of tasks. You can also view the Koi site. It only has one article. I only created one. Golden retrievers. And you can also see the links by clicking here: the utilities, link management, golden retrievers, or all profiles from golden retriever site. Here it is. And for Koi, you have to change the profile. Koi open, then utilities, manage links. Here it is. You have to ping or create a new bookmark. Golden retrievers open. Here in the utilities, you have to, if you want to ping, you can click this one, ping. That's it. That's all how to check our scheduler on every task. We can add more articles here for golden retrievers or any task you want.